kailangan talaga ng funding mula sa GAA. Kasama po ang CMP. But di po, yes?
We can approach government financing institution to buy the land, and then the people will pay amortization for the land. Hindi naman kailangan manggaling sa GAA yun eh. If you will arrange that Pag-ibig will buy the land and they will pay amortization to Pag-ibig. On the informal settlers, they are being deceived that they will be given condominium. Akala nila free yun. Sabi ko, mahal yan. So, huwag kayo aalis dyan sa lupa kasi pwede namang ibenta sa inyo yan lupa. At yan ang hulugan nyo, mas mura. Oo. Yun lang naman yung option na yun. Kasi paaalisin sila eh. And pagpunta nila sa Las Piñas, kasama pa nila Shopsy. Oh. So, who are doing that?
Mr. President, as I was saying kanina, bukod dun sa
may contractor. Yung contractor nagagawa ng building, bakit kasama contractor?
Mr. President,
ano yan, negosyo? Na i-deprive ang poor ng mga lupa nila, tapos ninegosyohin nyo yung lupa. Ano yon? Ba't may contractor at ano yon, ibebenta? Sabi nila, how are you able to buy? You have to apply sa Pag-ibig. And if you're rejected, you are not entitled.
Mr. President, as I said earlier, kahit kay Secretary mukhang may problema dun sa Las Piñas, and as in previous years, we should, yes, well, it's a good example to gain practical lessons from. So baka kailangan nating tugunan on the ground. Pero gusto ko ring i-make of record na yung binanggit ng good gentlewoman na 700 pesos amortization ay hindi na po nalalayo dun sa nakikitang posible ng department with amortization subsidy. Lalo na kung in partnership sa LGU na may 1,000 pesos a month, nagsisimula yung amortization ng informal settler dun sa low-rise building at 800 pesos. And then, further, tungkol po sa CMP at sa GLAD, para ipakita, i-make of record na hindi po talaga bibitawan ng DSUD ang CMP, hindi talaga bibitawan ng DSUD ang GLAD, at lalo na dahil tinutulak natin ng Senado, sila patuloy nilang iisipin paano gagawing complementary program. So, isosustain bilang complementary programs kahit dito. The Secretary is very willing to do that to our satisfaction.
We want a formal manifestation in writing that the poor and the homeless can choose whether they want a CMP program or a condominium. Okay. So, may option.
Yes, Mr. President. Yung paulit-ulit kong minamanifest during this interpellation so far, very willing po ang Secretary to put it in writing. Yung kanilang suporta at patuloy na paghingi ng GAA support para dun sa CMP at GLAD programs na alam nating may track record na tried and tested ng mga modelo, Mr. President. Just further for the record, Mr. President, halos wala ding pondo ang CMP sa ngayon except for loan repayments or reflows. And last
are interested in how,
yes, Mr. President,
and how the 4PH program will come into fruition. Kasi Secretary, I'm reading the President's budget message. Ito po, page